And here we are. We're out Christmas tree cutting. Here's the mama. Hi. Oh, here's the idiot. It just threw a pine cone. And this is Joe. And this is Janka. So we're all going to, oh, and this is me. Hi. Okay, we're going to have a real good time cutting trees. So we're standing under this tree. We're thinking about this one. This would might fit in the house. I don't know. What do you think, you guys?
Maybe. You will make a hole in the roof.
Huh? You think we can put that on the car?
They're starting.
Yeah, we'll come back in 5 weeks, Joe.
Take these